All right, are you a plumbing business owner and kind of struggle with scheduling, invoicing, quoting, and things like that? You don't know what to use, whether it's QuickBooks, Jobber, Joist. There's all these different softwares. There's Service Titan. There's about 1 million of them out there, and it's hard to pick and choose. We never used to really use one. We've always just used QuickBooks, and we still use QuickBooks for our invoicing and stuff like that. But Jobber kind of reached out to us, and we knew about Jobber, and we just never really used it. And then they kind of offered us a partnership, essentially. So this is a video where if you do end up, we'll leave a link in the description below where you can purchase Jobber. It'll be a special link where we make some money off of that type of thing. It's an affiliate link. We wouldn't be, putting this out there and selling it if we weren't using it personally. So I'm going to show you how we're using it. We use it for sure for scheduling, but there's so much you can do with Jobber. You can do marketing with it. You can do your quotes. You can essentially integrate it with QuickBooks. We just haven't done that quite yet because we're so used to using QuickBooks, but you can essentially do everything as an all-in-one platform. And especially if you're like a service company or you have multiple people working for you. We've kind of used a few different ways of doing things, but now that we're using Jobber, it's like we absolutely love it. So I'm going to show you how the scheduling portion works. So you come in here, this is our schedule. We got all our guides. So the colors, each color you see here is for a different kind of employee. So you set up users. We use some subcontractors. So this is for this subcontractor. This is for our employee here, Theo. And then these colors, certain colors are for me, certain colors are for Clayton. Each one of these things, you can come in here, create a job. So if I create a job, I can add my client. They're all pre-saved, and actually you can integrate it with QuickBooks. So it sucks out all the information from QuickBooks, puts it automatically in here. So you don't have to remake all your clients. They're already in here. I click a client. Let's say I'm doing a job and I need to make a schedule. I come to Cavalier Homes and I have all my different properties that we're doing work for them. I can also create new properties every time I do it. In here, I can drop notes. I can write descriptions to my guys. Like if they're doing a poly B, I'll always put a description of what they need to do or whatever job is they're doing. I'll write a full description of what they're doing that day. And then if there's any like blueprints or documents that I need to put in there, I can drop documents and stuff in here like that. Just drag and drop. It's honestly very user friendly. We are using it pretty much on a daily basis. Well, you can see on our schedule here, that's what we're primarily using Jobber for. I'm not going to get too much more into the logistics of it, but essentially if you've been kind of questioning whether or not you're going to use Jobber, I do recommend it. Again, we have a link in the description below. So it's a 20% discount for the first 6 months of your trial. I believe they do have like probably a 14 or 30-day trial. You can try it out first, but then with our link, our special link that we're going to leave you in the link in the description below, you'll be getting that extra discount moving forward. Check it out, try it out. I'm not pushing you to do it. We use it personally. If you guys have any questions, please let us know.